Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new partition to your computer, specifically a cloud-based partition. This means you can add your files to it and they'll be stored in the cloud. It'll function just like any other partition you have on your hard drive. As you can see here, these are the partitions on my hard drive, and I'm going to add a new one from Google Drive. We all know that normally to access Google Drive, you have to open your browser, click on the dots and select Drive to open it. But now you'll be able to access it directly from your computer, as if it were just another partition on your hard drive, which you can open and use like any other partition. Let's walk through the process together. Right now I don't have this new partition set up, so we'll start from scratch. The partition I'm talking about is Google Drive, and it's not installed on my computer yet, but we'll install it together. All you need is this tool, which you can download from the official website, or I'll leave the link for it down below in the description. It's a small file, and once you've downloaded it, just double click to open it. Make sure the first option is checked, and if the second option isn't selected, go ahead and check that as well. Then click Install to get the tool set up. After a few seconds, the installation will complete and you'll see the tools files on your desktop. If you open My Computer at this point, you won't see the new partition yet, but it'll appear once you click Launch. You'll need to sign in if you haven't already. If you're already signed in, it'll start right away. The tool will then sync with your computer. At this point, you'll be asked whether you want to back up your files to Google Drive. You can skip this step if you don't want to. After the setup is finished, if you open My Computer again, you'll see the new partition listed. Now, you can easily move files to this cloud partition, and you can also link your account to other devices. For example, if you want to move a file, just copy it, open the new partition, and paste it there. The process will only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and the file size. I'll leave the download link for the tool in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you'll know when we upload new videos. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. There are more tutorials waiting for you on the Top Mac 4 channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe and become part of the family.